staycation with a thrill? Found it! Hello everyone, this is Fao and I am telling you, this is not your ordinary staycation. So what do you mean na bukod sa magandang villa, may magandang view, may zipline, may high rope, valley-inspired big swing, natural spring river with slides, Vietnamese boating, fishing, and a bonfire? Grabe, I think I just peaked my staycation era. And isa to sa mga pinaka-the best na napuntahan ko, walang exaggeration or what. And this is our cabin. Very comfortable, actually livable. It's clean, cozy, and refreshing. It's air-conditioned with private hot tubs and pool. Then right here where you can chill. This dining space over here, grilling area. Kitchen is fully equipped. And grabe yung toilet and bath. Tag-tatlo lang naman. Ito na nga, hindi lang siya chill place. May pa-adventure din. Zipline na sa una nakakatakot. Pero inulit-ulit ko pa yan siya. Nag-enjoy. Pag na nasimulan mo na, bawal ka nang umatras. Para bang pa-obstacle course yung atake. Again, it's thrilling pero super enjoy. Para makapunta nga sa natural river spring, have to go down to like 860 steps. Very fulfilling pagbaba. This view. Oh my gosh, grabe ang ganda. Nung paakyat pabalik na, ang sakit eh. Ito na nga, nagkulot pa ako para dito. The Vietnamese boating. Diba? Ang ganda talaga. And saan nga ba to? This is the Ravine. Nature Resort in Cavite. It's 1 to 2 hours away from Manila. You can explore, try the activities, or just breathe. Book now!